when the morning breaks, and so does your heart. When the weight of all my bad mistakes has set us worlds apart, I held your hand in mine as every night we'd pray. Now I'm praying, rain or shine, just to get me through today. Baby bird, spread your wings, fly away into tomorrow, and the Lord who blesses joyful things in His grace, may He sanctify my sorrow. And when the nighttime falls and half the world sleeps, I stare at pictures on the walls, see you in my dreams. Our time is not our own, it's only ours to share. Now this house is less a home without you there. Baby bird, set your wings, sail away into tomorrow, and the Lord who blessed the joyful things in His grace, may He sanctify the sorrow. Now I lay me down to sleep, I pray the Lord your soul to keep. Baby bird, spread your wings, fly away into tomorrow,